What's up? This is another WWE John Cena opening. Sorry about that. Might have to buy me some scissors. Hate how they always wrap their stuff up. I don't know what this is. That I ordered. I got like 3 different things that I have bought from WWE shop. Is this another John Cena bag? Yeah, this is another one. That's everything from that one. This is another Hustle Loyalty Respect John Cena drawstring bag. Backpack, y'all want to call it like that. Just some simple, you know, your school stuff or your gym stuff. Put that away. Then this is the Hustle Loyalty Respect, or I think this is the Respect Earn It drawstring bag, as y'all can see. Got a full view. There you go, that's the bottom. Top, nothing on the back. Yeah, like the other ones. There you go, there goes that. What's this? I think this is a Respect Earn It lanyard. Or lanyard, however people want to pronounce it. Yeah, so this is a lanyard, the Cena Respect Earn It lanyard. Let me see. This is it, as y'all can see. Has a Respect Earn It, like how he does on this front of the shirt symbol. And that's basically it on that. Well, short unboxing. If y'all enjoyed this one, don't forget to like the video, comment what you thought about it, if y'all thought it was pretty nice, and subscribe for more content, you feel me, and stuff. Other than that, I'll see y'all in the next opening or video that I do, either on my phone with the Titanfall games or stuff, or more unboxings. Yeah, I'll see y'all later. Thanks for watching.